an HTML tutorial and later on in the series CSS tutorial. So first create a file in your computer, local disk, a puppy. Mostly because we're going to make a website about a puppy. Yeah, puppies are good and cool. Well, just back to this. You go into that website, you click new text document. Doesn't matter what text document, but erase the TXT, whatever you have. Just erase it. I have OpenOffice, other people might have Microsoft Word. Word will have Word at the end of it, probably. Well, and now call it puppy1.html. Like that. You click yes because they don't know what .html means. Then click on it, edit with Notepad++. Get Notepad++ because, yeah, get Notepad. It's better, it's the newer version of Notepad. So, this is my old website, that's the HTML and CSS. That's the HTML for it, that's the CSS. That's big, right? That's about 102 lines of CSS for this whole website. And we have for each page, I have 32 lines. Okay? Well, you can see that there's a doc type HTML at the top. We have an HTML opening, a head opening. Then we have a head closing. Inside the head we'll have all of your connections and maybe even if you want something to say. Then in here we have the body, the big fat body. It's where everything is in there. So this is my nav bar. It's a navigation bar I have at the top. Now what I say. This was a project about peacocks, just for your information. Now we have the body closing and the HTML. So this is basically like a human body. That's why they make it head. That's the head, that's where all the brainy stuff and the connections go. Then in the body is what your body is. Your skin color, how you look, if you're fat, chubby, whatever. Well, now I'll just fill that in really fast right now. The puppy HTML. Okay guys, well, that's what it should look like. The indents, you don't have to have it, but that is what it should look like. We have doc type HTML, we have the HTML opening, head closing, body opening, body closing. Now, and we'll need an HTML closing. Whoops, that was a big mistake. Well, inside the head, we're not going to make a connection, but we are going to make a paragraph. I like to have it indented. Now, let's write in here. What's it? First picture. Because that's what we're going to do. First picture with caption. There we go. Put a dot there. And now we have to close off. Every tab you have to close off your thing. Except in in images, not in P. You know, in images it's something else, but and everything you'll have to close it off. Well, we have the first picture with caption here, and now in the body it's time for the real good stuff. So right now let's just make a paragraph. What's it gonna be called? I'm gonna make it puppies are cool. Because I like puppies. As we've heard from, as we already know. And let's close off the P. I'm a pretty slow typer, so don't blame me. But I think it's easier if I type really slowly for you guys. So let's write. Are cool. Where's the U? Right there. And under it, we're gonna have image. And see how an image looks in one of these things. Where would I have an image put in? Image search. That's image source, but I like to call it image search. Your image right there, and now you're closing. You've only got this in one whole thing. That's one image. So let's go here, and now let's go on to Google. My computer is actually pretty slow, so sorry for all this wait. But puppies are cool. Yep, got it here. My kid's been on watching some Netflix. Well, okay, now we say puppies. Images. There are colors of puppies. Aww, he's adorable. Looks like my friend's cat. I mean, dog. Sorry. You click copy image address. Once you've copied that, you go boom boom slash image FIC equals Control V. Like that. Let's save it. And now we want this, and to activate it, we will have to go on to files here, puppy.html, and now with open with, Google Chrome. Puppies are cool, and that image didn't seem to like loading, but first picture was Caption, right there. And puppies are cool. Oh. Okay. You don't need to put those lines in there, I just remembered. Sorry, I'm used to coding with JavaScript. Well, that's how you do it. Puppies are cool. After you see that, image didn't really like to work, but and that's it. That's the image. Okay. Well, that's all. We'll still have that tiny mistake, which is very, and I know why we have that tiny mistake, which we will fix eventually. Yeah. It really doesn't want me clicking. We go here. You put your quotation marks on the image, like that. I'm kind of forgetting, but let's save it now. Go here. It's not there? What? Did I delete that? Well, let's do the open with again. Chrome, right? Yep. And puppies are cool! Woo! First picture with cat, and that giant puppy is looking right at us. Puppies! Well, that's all the time we have for today. Thank you all for watching. It was a big pleasure to have you guys here, and that's it. Have fun coding.